So, eto yung topic na hindi lang isang beses, kundi dalawang beses na nadidiscuss dito sa channel natin. Pero, concern nila. So, kailangan sagutin natin. Alright, so hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ang dami kasing interesado sa credit card na to, kaya hindi rin natin pwedeng i-evade or baliwalain yung mga queries tungkol sa credit card na to. And for me in this channel, it's only proper and due na sagutin ang mga queries ng ating mga subscriber. Kaya kahit na uulit ang topic natin, okay talagang i-discuss ko pa rin at sasagutin ko pa rin ang query ng isa nating subscriber. Alright, so today sasagutin natin ang query ng ating subscriber na si Food Hub. Ang query niya, hello ma'am, anong pinagkaiba ng Union U credit card sa ibang Union credit cards? Okay, so today sasagutin natin yan and I'll give you comparison. A simple comparison, huwag na natin gawing complicated. Simple lang yung mga bagay na gusto nilang malaman or gusto ninyong malaman para lang makompare natin ang Union U credit cards sa iba pang credit cards ng Union Bank. What makes the Union U credit card distinct? And what trade-offs it has. Okay, so ang gagawin kasi natin ngayon is just to have a simple comparison para lamang masagot natin ng simple ang query ni Food Hub. Ang credit card na to is beginner-friendly since, as it has been discussed previously, ito yung credit card na walang annual fee, walang late payment fee and over-limit fee, and ito pa. This is what makes this credit card exciting. Kasi if you pay your minimum amount on or before the due date, meron kang 10% rebate on interest charges. 10% rebate on interest charges for me is something excellent. It's amazing para sa akin. 10% is 10%. Nakukuha mo ba o napupulot mo ba ang 10% rebate? Hindi, di ba? Kaya siya remarkable. And another one, it has a virtual version that is really relevant sa ating mga online shoppings or online purchases. And eto pa, another exciting one, kapag kasi first-time credit card applicant ka, may income requirement ang mga bangko. At ang Union U credit card is napakababa lang ang kanyang annual income requirement because it is only 180,000. Yun ang requirement ng Union U credit card sa iyong annual income. So, ang ibig sabihin ng 180,000 annual income requirement is sumasahod ka more or less 15,000 a month. So, kapag meron kang sinasahod na 15,000 a month, pasok ka sa pag-a-apply dito sa Union U credit card ng Union Bank. At ang gusto ko pa dito sa credit card na to, since hindi siya points and rewards earning, hindi siya complicated. Kasi kapag meron ka kasing tina-target na makuhang points or rewards, you are being pushed to spend a certain amount sometimes kahit hindi mo naman kailangang umispend ng ganyang halaga, pero meron ka kasing tina-target na reward and points. Kaya kung minsan, nakaka-stress din ha. Kaya ito, yung credit card na to, gustong-gusto ko. Kasi I feel stress-free whenever I use this card. Wala akong inaalala na kailangan ganito yung ma-spend ko para makakuha ako ng ganitong points or ng ganitong rewards. Kung minsan, simple lang naman ang gusto natin. And for me, to have a credit card like this one is more than enough. Ganun lang, simplified version. Itatakal naman natin ang mga Union credit cards na iba, like yung Union Miles cards. Ito ay travel-oriented credit card. The more you spend, the more miles you get na maaari mong gamitin pag nag-travel ka abroad. So yun na yung sinasabi ko kanina na meron kang tina-target na amount to spend out of your credit card para makuha mo or magain mo yung points na yan, additional sa miles mo. Kasi nga, especially if you're planning to travel abroad in the future months or in the coming year. So, tatargetin mo talaga na mas malaki yung miles mo by spending more out of your credit cards dito sa Union Bank. Sabi nga ng iba kung minsan napipilitan silang umispend dahil nga yung target na yon. Pero yun ang malaking pagkakaiba naman yung Union U credit card. Kasi since wala kang tina-target na points and rewards, hindi ka may stress na mag-spend ng certain amount kung hindi naman kailangan. So eto namang mga rewards and cashback credit cards ng Union Bank. So ganun din, no? The more you spend, the more rewards and cashback you get. Yung unang diniscuss ko na Union Miles Cards, at saka itong rewards and cashback cards ng Union Bank, ito yung mga may annual fee. And again, I recommend this credit card, itong U credit card ng Union Bank sa mga newbie o sa mga baguhan sa credit card journey, doon sa mga may planong mag-apply. These are the credit cards na bagay sa inyo. Katulad din nito ng Zillow Mastercard ng PNB. So, pareho sila. Okay na okay. I want this card dahil mas wise na piliin ang credit card na to. Hindi sumasakit yung ulo ko sa credit card na to. Kaya hindi ko hahayaang ma-eliminate ito, mawala sa buhay ko, sa system ko, ang Union U credit card. So there you go, natapos na po tayo sa ating content for today. Maraming salamat for tuning in. And dun po sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and always tap the notification bell down there so that you'll always be notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. And again and again and again, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!